This is Kevin, also known as AWOL, and today we're working on ornament number 7. And hang on, before we get started, I do kind of want to show you what it is that we're making here. So the pattern I'm about to make is actually just a segment out of several that have to actually be made, and this is the ornament and how it turns out. So I'm really pleased with this thing. I think it turned out amazing. So stick with me and I will show you how to make one for yourself. Yeah, I pulled this up. This is going to be my template. It's a little bit bigger than the last one. So yeah. So there's 2 purples. Mandy helped me pick out strings for a lot of these. So that's what we have here. So there's 2 purples, there's 2 reds. One's kind of dark like this. And I think at this point is where I'm going to go ahead and give the pattern a little bit more design. So red like that, and then a lighter one. So my thought is go dark and then lighter. Yeah, that kind of works. So just a simple kind of arrowhead. I kind of feel like this is something where the pattern doesn't matter as much as the whole what gets put together. So yeah, we'll see. The next is kind of a medium green like this. Okay, so this one was supposed to come out as well. It'll have the dot from here, and then the green comes around it. Look at that. So this wasn't really planned out to end this way, but it works. And then the next color is a light green. So there's like that. This pink will be inside of there. And oh goodness, so we're really not getting much at all of the purple. And the only reason I know that that'll be the purple is because I've done arrowheads for so many years. I know that it ends up being the last color. But just to kind of make sure everything is exactly on point, we can go ahead and put in the underlying strings. Something like that. This is out here. Kind of doesn't matter which one we work on, as long as we're moving forward, we are making progress. So like that. This light green. Well, this one's a little bit harder because, you know, it's going to duck underneath, but I kind of can see this one is going straight. This one is also going straight, so it's just coming out underneath like that. Overall, my biggest goal is to try to make this as easy as possible so I can go ahead and make this up. And yeah, I kind of want to put, because there's going to be what 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 of these segments overall when the whole thing is said and done. So yeah, the easier I make it on myself, the faster all of that goes, the faster I can get on to putting the whole thing together into the ornament. So basically anything pattern wise that you want to be able to do. This is a 12 string bracelet. Any pattern at all would be possible to do this with. Changing the size, changing anything about it would just be a matter of choice. So if you have a pattern that you prefer, something different, by all means do that. So what's going to happen is I'm going to take this here, this top corner, copy and paste it, use my flip tool, and flip it over to the other side. So now I have all the underlying strings for both of those. Go back to my select tool so I can anchor that in place. And then I can take this whole top half, copy and paste, and flip it to the under part there, back to the select tool to anchor it. So that's my first segment. So this is I'm going to make 2 of these, and I'm going to put them up against each other, and then it's going to make 2 more joined to do that. And then I'm going to make, so that's like ends up being 4 pieces. I'm going to make 2 of those and join those all together. If you're not clear about what I'm talking about, that's okay. That'll be in tomorrow's video, and I'm looking forward to that. It'll be a lot more of the making it as well as putting it together. So that's coming up for tomorrow. So thanks for hanging out with me. Thank you to my Patreon supporters, my YouTube members who make this stuff possible. Without their help, I wouldn't be able to make all these videos. And yeah, I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you. From the bottom of my heart, honestly. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for them. So thank you, guys. And yeah, as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.